Good morning, my name is Moria. I am from Civil Batch I282. Today I am going to explain the working principle of electric vehicle. EV function primarily by converting the electrical energy into mechanical energy using an electric motor. The energy required to drive the vehicle is stored in the rechargeable battery packs, which provide power to the motor through an advanced power electric system. Unlike ICE vehicles, which rely the combustion of fossil fuels to generate powers, EV operates based on the fundamental principles of electromagnetism. The key aspects of EV operation include energy conservation, power, electronic regulation, generative braking system. And the energy conversion is electrical energy from the battery is converted into mechanical energy to propel the vehicle. The power electronic regulation converts and inverts the regulate the power flow, controlling the vehicle speed, acceleration, generative braking system. And the generative braking system is EVs are equipped with the generative braking, which recaptures the kinetic energy lost during the braking and converting it into electrical energy to regenerate the battery. And the thermal management, ensuring the optical operating temperatures of the battery, motor, and the power electronics through the liquid air cooling system compared to the ICE vehicles, EVs, and have the fewer moving parts, leading to lower maintenance cost, higher efficiency, and reduced mechanical losses.
Good morning, my name is Mahisa Mullah. Today I am going to explain the battery technologies in electrical vehicles. The battery pack is a critical component of an EV, determining its range and performance and charging time. Advances in battery technologies have significantly improved EV efficiency and affordability. Common battery types include lithium-ion batteries. The most widely used battery technology in EVs offers high energy density, lightweight and design and long cycle life, support fast and capacity efficient energy storage. Next one is solid state batteries. Next generation battery technology featuring a solid electrolyte instead of liquid provides enhanced safety and increased energy density, faster charging. Next point, except to revolutionize EV performance in the coming years. Battery management system monitors battery health, charge levels, and temperature. Enhance battery lifespan by preventing overcharging and deep discharging. Batteries recycling and sustainability. Developing efficient recycling method to minimize environmental impact. Innovations in repurposing used batteries for energy storage applications. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Mahesh Kalmani. I am from Civil Engineering branch. Today I am discussing about the electrical vehicles. Now in that electronics in electric vehicles. Power electronics plays a vital role in managing every flow in electric vehicles. Some of the key power electronic components include inverters, convert DC power from batteries into AC for the motor, crucial for vehicle propulsion, DC-DC converters, regulate the power distribution for various vehicle functions such as lighting and dashboard electronics. Regenerative braking enhances efficiency by capturing energy during braking and converting it back into stored electricity. Smart power management systems optimize energy usage, reducing power losses and enhancing performance. Charging infrastructure for electric vehicles. The availability of efficiency of charging infrastructure are essential for the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. Various charging options include level 1 charging uses a standard household power outlet 120 volt AC current. Ideal for overnight charging. Level 2 charging uses a 240 volt AC outlet, providing faster charging suitable for homes and public stations. DC fast charging, high speed charging that significantly reduces charging time, making electric vehicles more convenient for long distance.
Hello everyone, I am talking about electric vehicles. Introduction. The global transportation industry is one of the largest contribution to greenhouse gas emission, promoting a shift towards sustainable and energy efficient alternatives. Electric vehicles provide a visible solution to urgent pollution, reduce independence on fossil fuels and promote clearness energy usage. This session provides an overview of an historical development of EVs, their significance in the modern transportation, and their benefits over the traditional ICE international convention. The early adoption of electric cars dates back to the 19th century, but the advancement in the battery technology and the power electronics have led to a resurgence in their popularity, and the government and the automakers worldwide are investing heavily in the EV research, instruments and development and regularity framework to support worship and adoption. Working principle of an electric vehicles, EV function primarily by converting electrical energy into mechanical energy using an electric motor. The energy required to drive the vehicle is stored in rechargeable battery package which provide power to the motor through an advanced power electronic system.